Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SharkPad 7 Pro and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. Alright, so first things first, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and after that you can enter the settings. So here in this left section we need to scroll all the way down to find the option System. Then let's scroll down and localize the system updates and tap on it. And your device will check for the updates. If you want to, you can tap on check for update. And as you can see, it will try to find something. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.